If you need to add a clip art image to a Microsoft Word document, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest way to find, insert, and adjust clip art in Word so you can make your document look more polished and visually engaging. This is a simple skill, but it can make a big difference when you're creating reports, flyers. All right, let's jump in. First, open your Microsoft Word document and make sure you're on the page where you want the clip art to appear. Once you're ready, look at the ribbon at the top of Word and click the Insert tab. The Insert tab is where Word keeps all the tools for adding extra content, like pictures, shapes, icons, and more. After you click Insert, find the option called Online Pictures. In some older versions of Word, you may see clip art instead of online pictures, but the process is very similar. Click that option to open the image search window. Now you can search for the kind of image you want to add. Type in a keyword that describes the clip art you need, such as flower, arrow, computer, or school. Word will then show you a selection of available images. Take a moment to browse the results and choose the one that best fits your document. Once you find the image you want, click it to select it and then click Insert. Word will place the clip art directly into your document. After the image appears, you can click and drag it to move it wherever you want on the page. If the image is too large or too small, use the corner handles to resize it until it looks right. Resizing from the corners helps keep the image proportional so it doesn't look stretched or distorted. You can also position the clip art near text, above a heading, or alongside other elements in the document, depending on the layout you want. If needed, you can keep adjusting it until everything looks clean and balanced. And that's it. You've now added a clip art image to a Microsoft Word document. It only takes a few clicks, but it's a great way to make your document more visually appealing and easier to understand. If this video helped, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful Word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.